Hi, I'm Lisa from Approveit, and today I want to introduce tasks. Now you can set up tasks in your workflows. Imagine the following situation. You have a bill approval workflow. Once your bill is approved, you want your accountant to actually pay the bill. So imagine I'm the accountant and I have received the notification that a task has been assigned to me. That's how the task will look like for me. So I can see the bill approval details right here, and I can see the status to do. So the assignee is unassigned right here. So I need to change the status. And so let us change, and it will be in progress. And now, once I have changed the status, the assignee has changed as well. And now I'm the assignee of that task. Once I complete the task, I will need to change the status to done. So I will need to do this one, and that's it. Now my task is complete. Let me show you how you can set it up. You need to go to your workflow section. You need to go to the workflow, for example, bill approval workflow right here. And here you can see that, first of all, I have bill approval form. And upon approval, I have a task right here. And if I click Edit Task, you can see who's the assignee of the task, and you can see the description of the task right here. If I need to add one more task, I just click the plus sign here and select the task and edit task. So I need to insert the description and I need to select the assignee. And I also need to select the form that will be visible to the assignee of that task. That's how it works. If you still have questions, please feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you.